Today I will discuss how to create triangular irregular network in PCI geometric software. Open the geometric software and input the image. Open the map and create the shape file. Select to layer and point. Okay. Point. Create the file and point. Tools, algorithm librarian, utilities, vector utilities, create a raster point on scene. Input the point layer. This is the point layer. Create and input here. Point layer and output raster file. Uncheck the view and right click and browse and save the scene. And date value, angle and run and this process. Create a triangle irregular network. This is the triangle irregular network and now complete the triangular irregular network.